don't really have a whole lot of tire left.
It's already recording?
Yeah, it's recording right now.
Oh, sweet.
So that's from the at-home burnout. There's a little bit of rubber on there. I think we need to add some to the road this time. Yep. It's like half my tire. That's what you get for 100-mile-an-hour wheel speed on a burnout. All right, so we're gonna do another one.
Car sounds nice. Next time I'm not the guy walking. You get to walk.
Look at that. Started in second. I don't know if you can see that from here. On the camera, probably not. That was pretty awesome. Look at that. That's so awesome. I should have took my rev limit. I got a pill, so when I go into burnout mode, it limits it to like 4,000. Oh. So you don't get too hot. That's crazy. Black marks, even through shifting into third. Look at that. Third gear, still rolling. That's awesome. Nice Sunday afternoon. Is it Sunday? It's Sunday.
It's Sunday.
It's Sunday.
I don't know, I work night shift, so.
I have no idea what day it is.
I just know it's the third.
That's pretty good. What? Oh, yeah, yeah. Turn that on.
So we have a V8
No,
with something that's got a rice.
Cylinder Mustang.
That's a rice burner. Actually, it might be a rice cooker. It's stockish. Stockish. Not too shabby for a 4-cylinder Mustang and a 4-cylinder car. Four-cylinder? 4-cylinder. Your tires are high, you're throwing rocks all the way. Your tires are throwing dirt the whole way.
I shifted into 4th gear and topped it out. I don't know how fast I was going, but the speedometer was not going anymore. Oh my gosh. I came by pretty hot.
Yeah, yeah. There you have it, folks.
We started down there, we're in first, and I hit like half throttle and was still pulling away from him, and then I couldn't hit second gear, and he was still like a half a car length ahead of me. And as soon as I got it in gear, it was just like, what? See you later. That was a lot of fun. That little Neon's fast. But my car's NA, and his is boosted. Like, what, 20 pounds of boost?
I don't know what he's running now.
I don't know how much boost he's running on this. But I don't think you're going to have a chance once I get boost on my car, buddy.
I don't think so.
What'd you do?
9 pounds still? No, I don't know.
You had all the boost that time?
No. Like,
I heard it cutting out.
It, like, even just idling it sounds...
Thing's pretty bad, though. What happened to your intercooler is all smashed? No boost leaks? None? Sounds like an exhaust leak.
Well, that's a hell of an exhaust leak. It blew the gasket out on this side.
Did it really? You on a cylinder down or something, or what? That makes me a little less happy. It was only on 3 cylinders. Nothing? Nothing? I still beat you on 3 cylinders. Oh yeah, she's a cylinder down.
It might be the coil.
Coil? Try swapping wires. Swap one cylinder to different, see if it still sparks. I don't even know if it's the coil or the wire.
These things are just notorious for shitting out on these things.
Are they?
Oh yeah.
Coils, yeah.
Well, I suppose when you get that much heat, the turbo's right there.
You got the turbo, you got the heat off of it.
Ah. Same.
Yeah, you're
Dead coil.
Dead.
You got another one? That's not fair. All right, well, I beat an SRT-4 that was down a cylinder. Makes me feel less awesome.
Stockish, bro.
So, I mean, it's kind of stock. I guess with 3 cylinders, it's probably the same power output as a stock one, right?
Yeah.
So I beat a stock SRT-4. Yeah! It's a bad little ride.
Dang it.
I know. I bet you would have hung with me right there. We'd have been side by side.
Well, now that really makes me question a lot of things.
Like your sexuality or what? Like how many things you questioning?
Because the other day after I put the injectors in it,
Uh-huh.
I tuned it. I had to add all kinds of fuel to it, and it was running great, dude. I made a bunch of pulls up and down the highway.
It was running
Took
great.
it to the house. The next morning, I got up, started it, and it was kind of missing. And whenever wide open throttle, it would miss every.
Are those
other
stock coil packs?
Yeah.
They make an upgraded one, like an aftermarket.
Yeah,
You need to get those.
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm gonna look it up right now, actually.
I bet you probably would have whooped me if we had all 4 cylinders. I don't know. You rode in my car. How's it feel compared to yours? Same?
I don't know.
Similar?
I think pull's pretty fucking hard. The hardest part is when you hit boost, keep
This?
traction.
Yeah.
Yeah, this ain't jerky off the highway. But it seems like the torque steer is a lot less without the power steering pump hooked up, because I still haven't put the belt on it. The power steering pump's there, but the belt's not on. They gave me the wrong belt. Imagine
See you
that.
muscle in the steering wheel. That's awesome. That was still fun. All right, that's your Sunday dose of fun. I haven't posted a video in a long time because I've been working a lot. Just my way of blowing off steam, burnouts in fast cars, and I mean, I don't know. Semi-fast cars, stockish, whatever.
Yeah, stockish.
I guess like 3 cylinders isn't that fast. Still fun. Hanging out here at Mike's shop, and I walk in here and I see Vanilla Ice's old convertible. Look at that! Doesn't that make you just, I don't know what it makes me do, but I want to see all the dust off this thing. I love the wheels on it.
I want to see air in the tire.
I want to see air in the tire, and I want to see a supercharger. Which box? We don't know. There's a box with a supercharger in
It
it.
says turbo on the side of it, but it's a supercharger.
Okay, okay. That's what we need to see on this thing. Look at how, I love how shiny this is. I mean, minus the dust. It still looks nice.
It is a good looking car.
It's a dang good looking car. I mean, like you got the 80s, 90s flames on it. Look at that. I love this car. So when I met Mike, he was driving this, and it's been like 17 years, and I haven't seen him drive it since. No, in reality, it's been like 2 years, a year and a half, maybe. I don't know. It feels like it's been forever, but I haven't seen this thing on the road. And look at this. It's just, oh yeah, on the inside. So the speaker box, check that out. Look at that. Look at the seats. I mean, I'm going to come over there so I can, the door's even shut nicer than mine. The only thing it doesn't do is drive on the highway.
Well, that's why the door's shut so much.
Yeah, exactly. Look at that.
More dust on this car than
It's a fancy friggin' car. Yeah. How's the stereo sound in this? The sub's pretty nice? They hit pretty good? Do they? I love this car. I just need to see it on the road. Once you get that supercharger in, then it'll be better.
Barbecue grill.
Is that a real case from a blower?
It was, yeah.
Wow. That's cool. Hey, look at that. That's my truck or something. So, Mike is awesome with body work. And the floor pan, I mean, it's not the best, but we got to do the cab corners because they're rotted down here. And then the floor pans are a little, look at that, spray foam. So the floor pan includes all of that, even the step down. We're gonna do cab corners. Mike's gonna show me how to do body work because I absolutely hate it with a passion. It's gonna be great. I didn't know there was red under here. So when I saw it, I pulled up here, I was like, whose truck is that? Mike's like, that's yours. Like, well, I guess. She ain't that beautiful, but she's gonna be fun.
She will be beautiful.
Oh, that was a nice Sunday fun day. Enjoyed getting the car out. Got to play around with my buddy Mike. So he's the one who's going to be helping me repair the floor pan and the cab corners on my truck. I'm pretty excited about that. The Mustang did good. I got to get her out, stretch the legs a little bit. She's quick. I'm having fun. Tuning into every time I drive it, I give it a little bit more, adjust things a little bit more. She's doing great. I couldn't be happier. The only thing that I need to look at is the belt tensioner. Just not enough tension on the belt, so it squeals a little bit when I start it up, but it is what it is. I need to figure out what's going on with that because the belt slips on the alternator. So I need to get a solid tensioner, crank that thing down, or give the spring inside another wrap, give it a little bit more tension. One or the other. I'll end up taking it apart. Anyways, sorry for the lack of content lately. I have been very busy with work. Hopefully you guys understand. I'm going to get this video uploaded. See you guys later. Have a great day.